Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, it seems like Mbali is ahead on Tando. He take Big Sisa out on the restaurant to take the tea, and it seems like Big Sisa is interested on Mbali. When Mbali reveals the cleavage on Big Sisa, while Mandisa joins them and reveals that she has someone of Makosazana belongings, she hangs them over to Nokzola, who found a burning phone amongst them. Nomusa argue with Tusheleni about the mouse, but then they discover that the pub is infested with cockroach, and it seems like Nomusa does not want to sell at Msam. He wants the money and continue with business, while the business does not do well on the profit. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.